Good morning, kids. Welcome to Ajul International School's virtual skills class. Today, we'll be taking the main idea and details. Now, you already took this lesson with your teacher in details. We're gonna go over it quickly, just as a revision. The main idea is the most important idea about the topic. From its name, main idea, it is the most important idea that is in the selection. You're reading a selection, reading a text. The most important thing is the main idea. Now, for me to know what the main idea of the selection is, I have to know what is it about. What the selection is about, this is my topic. So, before going straight to the main idea, I have to know what the topic is. What is it about? Then, I'll go ahead, read the selection. In the selection, there will be details. These details tells me more about the main idea. Now here I have to spot where the main idea is. Let's check this example together to make it clear for you. Meet Susan. Susan got a basket. This basket. She uses it to carry many things. She puts food in the basket. She keeps toys on the basket. She even puts her kitten in the basket. So this is Susan. She has a basket. She uses it to carry many things like the food, toys, and kitten. What's the topic of this selection? What is it about? It is about the about the basket that Susan has. This is what the selection is about. What is the main idea of this selection? She uses it to carry many things. She puts food. She keeps toys. She puts her kitten. See here, I'm telling you what is she using the basket for. To put food, to put kitten, to put toys. This is what it is used for. So what can I tell from this? That she uses the basket to carry things, to put things in the basket. So this is my main idea. My main idea, first I identified what the topic is. What is the topic? It is the basket. We're talking about the basket. What is the main idea? It is used to carry things. How did I know it? The details, the supporting details help me reach my main idea. What are the details? Is that she puts food in the basket. She puts toys. This is the main idea, do you think? No, this is the details. Details, she puts food, she keeps the toys, and she puts her kitten in the basket. What's the main idea? Is that she uses it to put all these things. So I say, what is the main idea? She uses the basket to carry many things. This is the main idea. Susan uses the basket to carry many things. It's not the food alone, it's not the kitten alone, it's not the toys alone. It's used to carry many things. The basket. This is my main idea. So in the exam, you will be asked to either write the main idea, underline it. So be careful. Let's check the second example. From the Earth, the moon looks smooth, but it is really quite rough. So if we look at the moon, from far, we will see that it is smooth. It looks like it is smooth, but if you look closer in it, it is quite rough. It's not as smooth as we see it from Earth. There are mountains and valleys on the moon. These are the valleys that are on the moon and the mountains. The surface is covered with big and small holes. It is covered with small holes and big holes. The moon is a rocky place in space. Where is my main idea? First, what is the selection about? What is the topic? It is the moon. What's with the moon? What what is about the moon? It tells you that the moon is, it looks smooth, but it is rough. In real, if you if someone goes to the moon, if the astronauts look at the moon, they'll find it that it is rough. There are holes, there are mountains, and there are valleys. The surface is covered with big and small holes. The moon is a rocky place in space. So what is my main idea? What does the writer want to tell in this selection? The main idea is that it is rough. It is rough. Rough is the opposite of smooth. So does he want to tell us that the moon is smooth? No, he tells you that it is really quite rough. And he gave you details that there are mountains, there are valleys, there are holes. All these things tell that the moon is rough. It supports my main idea, which is the moon is quite rough. This is the main idea. So first, I identified the topic, which is the moon. What's with the moon? It is rough. This is the main idea. And the details that help in reaching my main idea, here are the details. The mountains and valleys, the surface is covered with holes, and it's a rocky place. Now this is what you would be expected to be asked in the exam. You will have to tell what is the topic of the selection. You'll be given a selection and you will tell what is the topic. Write the topic. And you'll write the main idea. And then what are the details that tell more about the main idea. You'll be asked about the main idea, the details, and what is the topic of the selection. So this is what to expect in the exam. This is how you will be asked. Page 15 you already did with your teacher, but we're gonna just make the second one as a revision for you. We know that Mars is red. We also know there was once water on the planet. Mars is a place we want to learn more about. So what is the topic? Mars. We're talking about Mars. What is the main idea? Let's read. We also know there was once water on the planet. We know that Mars is red. Mars is a place we want to learn more about. Where is my main idea? Mars is a place we want to learn more about. How did I know my main idea? There are details that help me know the main idea. What are the details? Is that Mars is red. There was once water on the planet. These are the things that we know. So this means what? That we want to learn more about Mars. This is my main idea. Mars is a place we want to learn more about. We said that we know that it is red, and we know that there was once water on the planet. So what's the main idea? Is that we want to learn more about Mars. Write one detail that tells more about the main idea. You can either say that Mars is red or Mars once had water. These are the supporting details that help tell the main idea. Now the last thing, you have a homework. You'll be reading this text very well, and you will write the main idea and mention two supporting details. I'll give you a hint here. Again, you will find the topic first. Keep the topic in your head. Then, look for the details. Once you know the topic and the details, you'll be able to know the main idea. I'll quickly read it for you. Do you like to drink milk? Milk is very good for you. It helps you grow strong. You can drink milk with lunch or dinner. Milk and cookies are a good snack.